Do you ever wonder how disruptive tech has changed the game and just completely transformed the world we live in? It has revolutionized industries and replaced old practices. And the best part? It's just getting started. And if you're curious to learn about the technologies that have the biggest impact, then you're in the right place. Because for today's video, we have put together a list of 10 most disruptive technologies ever. So let's start with the upcoming 5G technology at number 10. It's taking the world by a storm, and it's not hard to see why. Well, it is said to be lightning fast with data speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G. Crazy, right? And according to experts, the impact of 5G will be massive. And it may go on to contribute trillions of dollars to the global economy over the next few years, providing opportunities for businesses to develop new products and services, and also allowing us access to real-time streaming in high quality and so much more. Next up, at number 9, we have autonomous vehicles. I mean, who would have imagined cruising down the highway without having to touch the steering wheel a few years ago? It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. And with them becoming so common, many experts believe that self-driving cars could revolutionize the transportation industry by improving road safety, reducing traffic congestions, and decreasing emissions. Plus, they would also free up time for commuters to work, relax, or catch up on some much-needed sleep during their daily commutes. And now, at the 8th spot, we have AI and machine learning. I know these sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're actually very real and very disruptive. So, AI is basically when machines can learn and adapt to new situations and can basically just perform tasks on their own. And as for machine learning, it's actually a subset of AI that allows machines to learn from data and improve their performances with time. So, many experts are now saying that AI and machine learning have the potential to revolutionize industries from healthcare to finance, and may even help us tackle some of the world's biggest problems like climate change. And now, at number 7, we have cloud services. Since with cloud computing, we don't really need to rely on external storage equipment anymore, as we can directly save files on the internet. We think this could be great for companies, because users can easily access management tools from anywhere in the world, just by connecting to their device. No wonder these cloud services have quickly become a staple in the tech industry. Up next is 3D printing at the 6th spot. And we think this technology has the potential to bring some major advancements in fields like electronic engineering, automotive, jewelry, architecture, regenerative medicine, you name it. And according to research, what users really love about it is that with 3D printing, ideas can be quickly tested and continuously produced, without any additional cost to make prototypes first. Experts believe it to be a game changer for product development and manufacturing processes that will benefit both professional in different industries to everyday consumers. And at number 5, we have cybersecurity. So with all this information being generated by devices, programs, and companies, it's pretty crucial to have strong security protocols in place. I mean, cybersecurity is no joke, right? And that's why companies like Norton, McAfee, and Kaspersky are leading the change when it comes to protecting our sensitive information from cyber attacks. But what's next on the horizon for cybersecurity? Experts are predicting that we'll see more advanced AI-powered security solutions, especially with a focus on mobile and IoT security. And at the 4th spot, we have computational chemistry. And this is the hottest thing in the world of chemistry right now. It saves time and resources, and well, the formula predictions are pretty easy and accurate. All in all, chemists absolutely love it, and experts predict that this technology will become increasingly important in the future as we continue to push the boundaries of chemistry. Up next is advanced VR at number 3. And well, it's not just for gaming anymore. This disruptive technology is revolutionizing industries like oil and gas for one. Companies like Repsol are using digital twins technique to create virtual simulations of their plants. And like this allows them to be more flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. VR is also being used in fields like education, healthcare, and even real estate. At the 2nd spot, we have smart cities. And well, this technology is all about using data and digital tools to make our cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable. We're talking about things like traffic management systems, energy-efficient buildings, smart streetlights, and even waste management sensors. Some cities around the world have already embraced smart city technology with open arms. For example, Amsterdam has implemented a program called the Smart City Initiative, which includes smart traffic management, smart lighting, and waste management systems. Singapore has also made strides towards becoming a smart city with their Smart Nation program. which includes a range of initiatives from automated water management system to self-driving buses. And guess what? The citizens seem to be happy with this technology as well, since it's obviously so much more convenient and sustainable. And finally, we have the blockchain technology. It deserves the first spot on our list because it represents a true paradigm shift in how we conduct transactions and manage data. From finance to healthcare, supply chain to real estate, blockchain has already made significant strides in transforming these sectors. There have been a lot of new apps and features like NFTs and DeFi, fully powered by blockchain. In fact, according to tech experts, the beauty of blockchain is its ability to provide trust and security in a trustless and insecure world. And that's why it's not just big corporations that are jumping on the blockchain bandwagon, but also normal people like you and me. And did you know it can also be used for election voting? Man, we're all for fair election, right? So with that, it's a wrap on our list of top 10 disruptive technologies ever. But this is just the beginning. With so many other cutting-edge technologies like IoT and quantum computing on the horizon, we're sure to see more disruption and innovations in the years to come. So, how do you see these innovations shaping our future? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our new content. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.